Now we're at the stage where you create your landing page. This is the registration page for your challenge. This is the page you'll share with your audience, the place where people decide if they want to join or not. And the good news is that this page is built for you automatically. CommuniPass creates a fully responsive landing page for desktop and mobile, including your challenge details, a countdown timer, the full challenge explanation, and the overall journey. You don't need any technical background to set this up. We'll walk through it together, and the platform handles the rest. Let's start with a short description. This is a single line that appears right under your challenge name. For example, under "Lose 9 pounds in 21 days." Think of it as a one-sentence promise that supports the title. A good example here would be something like, "A simple, structured plan to lose weight, stay consistent, and see real results in just 3 weeks with about 10 minutes a day." Short, clear, and it immediately tells people what to expect. Next is the main description. This is the body of the page, and it's where you really explain the challenge. This is where you can talk about what the challenge includes, who it's for, what people can expect day by day, and also who you are. If you have social proof, testimonials, or past results, this is a great place to add them. You can also embed videos here, upload images, or even add a VSL if you want. Anything that helps people understand the value and feel confident joining the challenge belongs here. Below that, you'll see options for your profile picture and cover image. These will appear on the challenge page and help personalize it. If you've already set a profile picture and cover image in your account settings, you can just enable them here. And yeah, that's my photo showing up right there. If not, you can upload them manually and choose exactly how you want the page to look. Once you click Next, your challenge landing page is basically ready. At this point, the page doesn't include the daily journey yet, because we'll build that in the next steps. And since I know you probably want to see the final result, I'll show you a preview now. And later, once we complete the daily content, you'll see the full experience exactly as participants will see it. And before we move on, this is the challenge journey. This section is created automatically, and it will be updated dynamically based on the daily content you'll add in the next step. We'll walk through that part next.